Hello and welcome to Casually Clara. Today we're making French bread rolls, also known as mini baguettes. This recipe is amazing because it's incredibly quick, beginner-friendly, and requires just 15 minutes of hands-on time. The dough does all the hard work overnight while you sleep. The difference between the two breads I'm showing here is that one is baked with steam for a crusty French-style crust, and the other is baked without steam for a softer roll. But more importantly, both are delicious. Let's get started. The night before, measure out your flour in a big bowl. This dough will expand. Add your yeast. And then we're going to do something a bit unexpected. We're going to hide the yeast into the flour before adding the salt. Why? Because salt slows down yeast activity. So keeping them separated for a moment helps the dough rise better. Then we add our water. Yes, it really is this easy. Mix with a spoon to form a shaggy dough. This dough will rest overnight for 8 to 15 hours. I'm handling the dough here just to show you what a properly shaggy dough looks like. It's rough, sticky, and loose, but that's exactly what we want for artisan French bread. Now cover the bowl with cling wrap and let it rest. Good morning. Look at what has happened to our dough overnight. It's bubbly, sticky, and smells like fresh sourdough thanks to slow fermentation. With one hand, give the dough a quick stretch and fold knead. This only takes about 30 seconds. This is the only kneading required for these no knead or low knead French rolls. Now cover it back up and let it rest for another 45 minutes before shaping. It's been 45 minutes and I've got a little kitchen helper today. Generously flour your board. This is such a no-fail bread recipe. It's perfect even if you're baking with kids. The dough will have puffed up and is slightly deflated. Gently turn it out onto your surface and dust with more flour. Now stretch the dough into a circle so we can cut into sections. Divide into 8 pieces. Once you have your 8 pieces, you're going to fold the edges of each piece into the center to create little dough balls. It's so much easier than shaping a traditional baguette, but the results taste just like mini French baguettes, thanks to the simple ingredients and long fermentation. We're already seeing bubbles forming. Great fermentation means great flavor. Turn each piece over, add flour, give it a quick roll, and we're ready for their final proofing. The bread has rested for about half an hour and they're ready for a 450-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Use the steam function on your oven if you like, but I do like to change it up. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me here on Casually Clara. I've enjoyed this cozy little bake. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple, delicious recipes. I can't wait to cook with you again. Happy baking.